Is it fun?
Yes. I got some in my mouth.
You got snow in your mouth? Ethan, do you have snow in your mouth?
No.
Can you catch it on your tongue?
I'll try.
You can stand still and catch it on your tongue. Now y'all just look silly. Is it yummy?
Ready? 1, 2, 3,
And this is how we play in the snow when there's not enough to build anything with. Is it fun?
It's fun.
Ethan, are you having fun?
No, Ethan, I didn't say go yet.
And he's off. Where's Lexi? And oh, there she goes.